can be agitated before the revenue authorities. Admittedly, this is a government land. Clear report given by the President and the Special Deputy Commissioner has passed order rejecting regrant, and he has also issued endorsement to the person who has filed this application. So there is no doubt regarding the ownership of this land.
What is the grievance?
Lord, here also can you see page number 32, first paragraph. Admittedly, this is a government land. Tahsildar has issued an endorsement saying that this particular land cannot be given to private persons because this is needed for public purpose. Lordship, can you see that is.
So under the graving, land graving, you filed a complaint?
One of the villagers had filed a complaint. In fact, that has been rejected only on the ground that revenue authority, revenue entries have been going on for a long time. Only for a moment, may I draw the court's attention to para number 4 in page number 33. Only for a moment. This is order passed by the Special Deputy Commissioner. He has specifically rejected the claim for regrant made for survey number 271, page number 33. 33, para number 4. Admittedly, this is para number 4. Can I read, my lord? Survey number 271 is a sthala inam and is reserved land for the public purpose, Shanbhogi service, as revealed in the saying that your claim for 271 is rejected, my lord. Overlooking this, my lord, he subsequently, my lord, he has, though he is not having any title, my lord, he has allegedly entered into a same transaction with some other person, and the success.
What do you say? Or learned advocate, Mr. So. Notice returnable on 17th June.
Number 7.
Petitioner. Like new category orders has been coming up to the state. As a mushroom. In this particular case, Deru in Hassan district, a licensing being sought in Form CH-7. In spite of the fact that the population figure and other criteria will not suit, but may be permitted to submit brief status of the excise law in the matter of grant of licenses. Way back in the year 1994. Way back in the year 1994.
What is CL7 license?
CL7 is a hotel and lodging house. Stopped at the restaurant, the bar. It has been stopped way back in the year 1997. And the license has to be granted.
Seeking a prayer to direct this number 2 and 3. Seeking a prayer to direct this number 2 and 3, who are the Deputy Commissioner Hassan and the Deputy Commissioner Excise Hassan, respectively, not to consider the application for grant of CL-7 license to private license pertains to opening and running the restaurant business. Full stop. It is further paid that the disposable power should not be permitted to construct any further on the property. Full stop. It is submitted a distance where the licensed business is to be set up is at a distance of 27.25 meters from the state highway. Therefore, the setting up stated is that the property belongs to Work of Board and that the government departments have been located near the place. Full stop. All the above aspects need effectual inquiry at the hand of the competent authorities. Full stop. Nothing is stated except bare assertion about the petition is dismissed.
Sharma.
Yeah. Appointment of
Lord, we have filed
Kindly come to page number 3. Lordship would now kindly come to page number 5. Running page number 5. Paragraph number 8. On the other hand, on the other hand, of the CSA provides for the evidentiary value of experts and under section 39 clause 2 of the BSA. Paragraph number 10. It is submitted that the BSA 2023 is administered and enforced by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Hence, any clarification bespoke implementation of an expert in section 63 of the BSA will be provided by the Ministry of Home Affairs. I have filed an impleading application to implead the Ministry of Home Affairs in this particular matter, because on the one hand they're taking a stance stating that the expert has contacted Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology is taking. All that I can do to assist your lordship is to seek impleadment of the Ministry of Home Affairs, and then maybe they can appear before your lordship and provide clarity on who this expert is. That is my respectful suggestion.
You want to implead?
I have filed an application already. It is on your lordship's board.
may be allowed. Lord.
Where is that application? Prayer for impleadment. Prayer for impleadment of Ministry of Home Affairs is granted. The impleadment shall be carried out by amending the course title. Full stop. Notice shall go to the newly added party, returnable on 5th of June. Full stop. Looking to the inbuilt urgency in the subject matter of this public interest litigation, the newly added respondent shall appear on the next date with specific stand in relation to the averment made in paragraph 10 of the counter affidavit dated 20th March 2025, and asks the court. The petition shall be listed on at 2:30 on.
As a petitioner, my lord, you have complied with the directions of the Son Court. And the state has filed its affidavit, my lord, what are their objections? And we also, what is also filed, my lord, by way of reply affidavit. The urgency is, my lord, in this case is,
They have served a copy, physical copy to me today, my lord. I would request for some time for us to respond.
Copy of
The reply to our affidavit, lordship had
I do
directed,
not want to join issues, my lord. I am not opposing his adjournment request. Kindly appreciate, my lord. We have served physical copy as well as soft copy on their office. If my friend wanted in the morning, I have given it to him another copy. I only prayed your lordship will kindly consider to have this matter on Thursday or Saturday, my lord. Whichever day, this side of the vacation, because the mining lease itself will expire, my lord. Another 31st December, the lease itself will expire. It is a nation's mining lease, my lord. It takes 7 months to enter into the property. But I have the mining lease, I have the clearance, I have section 2 clearance, everything. The state only issued the GO. The consequential correspondence is issued, my lord.
mining lease expire when?
31st December, my lord, this year. it
30th
will
December.
expire. Forest land, and there is a lot of preparatory work we have to take.
First
Kindly
week of
appreciate, my
June.
lord.
Any of the reply file, learned advocate,
first week of June, may I request?
says 1 to 6 time, stand over to 4th June.
4th June. Great.
Still number 11, Mr. Mahendra SS.
Petitioner is seeking consideration of his representation. But the petitioner has filed an application seeking for release. That was rejected by the virtue of 2016 amendment.
We will issue notice. Notice heard learned advocate SS Mahendra. Notice returnable on 13th of June.
Still number 12, Mr. Sridhar Hegde.
My lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner. In fact, I'm a small scale industry in the green category, operating a ready mix concrete plant in the Sheshagiri Halli of Ramanagara district. On the instructions of the Chanpatna MLA, the Pollution Control Board has taken inadvertent actions on my plan to issue the notice for closure. I'm challenging that this one, the annexure K, which has been issued on me, despite complying with all the regulatory procedures.
Learned advocate for the petitioner, Mr. So while assailing the notice dated 27th February 2025. Closure is ordered.
Closure is not ordered yet, but they may take the action anytime. Yesterday, they have come and
Closure of the petitioner industry is proposed, submits that inter-alia mentions complaint received from the member of Legislative Assembly of Chantapatana, Sri Yogeshwar CP, received from
20,
the references mentioned in the said notice, mentions at S number 6 as an inverted comma complaint received from page 71. Received by Honorable MLA of Chantampuna Sri
Chennapattanam.
Yogeshwar CP sir on post of. There is a prima facie reason that the authority is influenced by the said complaint.
Make one
Notice
request.
returnable.
May I make one request?
Notice returnable on.
It could ideally be,
My lord, yesterday they have come and disconnected the
there's a-
power also.
it seems to be like a notice of proposed direction, my lords. It's not a closure order, it's a
It is-
notice of.
No, it's
proposed
not a
direction.
closure order. Yesterday they have come and disconnected the power also unauthorizedly.
Not be their case so, may make one,
Unauthorizedly.
not be their case so, may make one request. When a notice of proposed direction is issued, my lords,
Now it is a closure order or notice?
it's a notice.
It's
of
a
proposed
notice, but what they have done is,
When my brother is rightly pointing out that the inspection was also undertaken.
Correct, my lords. So what happens is that, my lords, we issue a notice of proposed direction, they come and.
I got the photographs. Saturday they have gone and this can be given, this can be given. to
Because
my lord.
we only can pass instructions to the concerned department. Now, that's until the closure order is issued under section 33A, we could not go forward. At best, it's a.
Photographs can be
Even no
seen.
provisional order is issued.
That's.
Provisional order is not
No,
issued.
it's not a provisional closure also. It is only a notice of proposed direction. That's under rule 33 of the water rules, which is what the procedure we have to contemplate.
My lord, then if that is the case, what was the issue? Because I
Learned
have,
Advocate Mr. So and so petitioner and learned advocate Mahesh Chaudhary who appeared upon service of copy of the petition in advance on behalf of the respondent Karnataka State Pollution Control Board and its authority. That's the two respondents hearing. The challenge is sought to be raised by the petitioner against notice dated 27th February 2025 issued by respondent number 1 board, respondent number 1 competent authority to respondent number 1 State Pollution Control Board, whereby the petitioner asked to submit its explanation within 15 days and to file the objections, failing which it is provided that, failing which, it is provided that the board will take necessary action in accordance with law and the directions issued in the notice. Full stop. The argument sought to be advanced by learned advocate petitioner was that said notice is issued at the instance and under the influence of member of Legislative Assembly who submitted complaint dated 25 to 25. Full stop. The first blush, the said argument looked attractive when the reference is the Pollution Control Board, which in course of the inspection noticed certain irregularities. Full stop. The notice stated that any of the irregularities and breach of the various pollution laws, prima facie found by the petitioner, it has proposed to issue the directions to the petitioner. Paragraph. The direction proposed, as stated in the impugned notice are as under page 73, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full stop. The notice only calls upon paragraph after quoting the petitioner to submit explanation.
my lord, we
and
have
file a
submitted
reply
that.
to the said
In annexure L, we have submitted the reply also.
aspects. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner stated that the petitioner has already submitted. The petitioner stated that the petitioner has already submitted its reply